How to file taxes by hand. So the first thing you'll need to do is get the correct forms. First, you'll need to download and print Form 1040. You can look for forms here by typing their name on the IRS website. Then click on the link that says PDF next to it. And this will give you the file or the form in the PDF format, which you can download. Usually you would need to get the Form 1040 or the 1040 SR from the IRS. But 1040 is the standard US individual income tax return. The next thing you need to do is read the instructions. So on the same IRS page where you search for the form, you should find the instruction for the form next to it, which you can click on and potentially print it if you need to, or you can read it online. This helps you know exactly lines, schedules, deductions, and credits apply to you. And next, you would need to gather your documents. So you would need to collect your W-2s, 1099s, and social security numbers, bank info, deduction records, and your last year's return. And you would need to fill out the format manually. The 1040 form. So you would need to write your personal info, filing status, income, deductions, credits, tax payments, refunds, or amount owed. And you'd also need to add extra schedules if needed. You can use schedules like Schedule 1, 2, or 3 if you have extra income, extra taxes, or additional credits. Next, you would need to double check the math. So you would need to recalculate totals, tax amount, refund, and payment due before mailing. And once that looks good, you should sign and date the return. So if you're filing jointly, both spouses must sign. And the next step is to mail that to the IRS. So you should use the correct IRS mailing address for your state and whether you are sending a payment or not. You can do that by going to the IRS Gov, and here in the search bar you would need to type where to file paper tax return. So you can type it like that, where to file paper tax, and search, and click on the first link that appears, and this should give you more info. And you can also find the address for each state if you expand your state here. And once you do that, you should always save a copy of the signed return forms and mailing proof for your records. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.